My name is Simone Pitella, the owner of Pitella. Pitella was established with the vision of creating the benchmark in importing high-quality Italian-made and designed products. We provide Italian door and bathroom fittings. Pitella was founded 4 decades ago by my parents, who immigrated here from Italy in the early 1970s. My grandfather had a hardware store in Spoleto, which is in the centre of Italy, and when my parents immigrated to Australia, they didn't see any architectural door fittings like they were used to seeing in their home country. Today, Pitella have retained this essence with a business culture focused on attention to detail and an eye for design. So in 2014, I researched an ERP endpoint software that was going to be able to scale with our organisation. Be nimble enough to actually enable for product inventory and our customer CRM to be managed under the one umbrella. It was then that I came across MYB Advanced, and they partnered with us with a company in Sydney called Kilimanjaro. Since then, our organisation has grown. From that point, we decided to then expand online, and through our association, we're introduced to Weeka Online. It was then that Weeka took our presence online with an e-commerce website. So we were able to show multi-currency on our website with a WooCommerce plugin. Our plan for the future is to expand into other countries outside of Australia.